This is a 2017 Fiat 500, and to show you the process to remove the dash panels, we start with the plastic tool and start with the HVAC control section by prying the sides. I've already pried this loose, so I remove that and put it out of the way. Next, there are two screws here, one there and one here, and the rest is just snap-on connectors. Be careful when you remove this to not scratch any of the other plastic panels. These are the snap-on connectors that keep the piece to the dash. The next thing is 4 screws, one here, one there, third one there, and the last one, fourth one there. And that removes the air vents around the radio. To remove the radio itself, there are 4 screws, one here, one there, and 2 more on the other side. Once you remove those screws, you can pull this out very easily. The one thing you have to be careful is not to lose this connector wire for the dash panel that is right here on the large piece. Not to lose it behind this hole, because it would be hard to pull it back out, so be careful with that. The installation is just a reverse order, and you can have a much nicer radio in your car after you're done. Once it's installed, the radio, the DVR, digital video recorder, and the rear view camera, when you go into reverse, it will trigger the rear view camera and turn on. And everything else is ready to use. I also have a Bluetooth OBD adapter that plugged into your OBD plug, and this one is nice because it has a power button and you can keep it off when you don't need it, and when you want to use it, you turn it on. And there is a torque application here that you can apply and see all the different engine settings. Right now the engine is off, but you have access to all the different status on your engine. All the different gauges. Okay, I hope this video helps others who are gonna install a better radio in their Fiat 500. Thank you.